Welcome, dear friends. Today we are going to see nasal drug delivery systems for metered dose inhaler. So, MDI is a device that is used to deliver a specific amount of the medication to the lungs. The metered dose inhalers, they were first developed in the 1955 by Riker Laboratories. Now it is a subsidiary of 3M Healthcare. The metered dose inhaler has a pressurized container of medication that fits into the mouthpiece. A dose of medication is released into the lungs by pushing the container into the mouthpiece. So, this is the MDI. So, let us see the components of MDI. The first is the canister. Canister is produced in from with the help of aluminium or stainless steel, where the formulation resides. Next is the actuator. The complete made canister is fitted into the plastic container. This is called as actuator, which allows the patient to operate the device and direct the aerosol into the patient's lungs. Then is the metering valve. It allows a metered quantity of the formulation to run through. Next is the actuator seat. It holds the metering valve and actuator nozzle. Then is the actuator nozzle. It helps to spread the component into the mouth. There are, let us see the types of MDIs. MDIs are of two types. One is non-pressurized MDI, which is portable inhalation delivery device containing an aqueous solution, suspension or emulsion, which delivers one dose in one or more actuators. Next is pressurized MDI, an inhalation product containing one or more propellant in the pressurized delivery system. How to use a meter dose inhaler? At first, the inhaler, it has to be shaken very well before use. Then the cap, it has to be removed. Then breath away from the inhaler. Then the inhaler should be placed in the mouth, um, between the teeth and the closed mouth around it. Then the patient should start to breathe in slowly. Then press the top of the inhaler once and keep breathing in slowly until patient has taken a full breath. At last, the patient should remove the inhaler from the mouth and hold breath for about 10 seconds, and then he has to breathe out. Now let us see the advantages of MDI. The first is it reduces the dose. Then it allows pressurized meter dosing, then inhaler use in patient with acute illness, then it delivers specific amount of medication to the patients. No drug preparation is needed. It is a small size and convenient to the patient. Usually it is inexpensive, and as compared to dry powder inhalers and nebulizers, it is quick to use than other devices. It has multi-dose capability. More than 100 doses are available. The disadvantage of this system is accessory device. Because of the accessory, portability decreases. This incurs additional cost. There is a possibility of dose error. There is potential source of contamination or infections. There is no information about the number of doses left in the MDI. Proper coordination in breathing is required, and it is very difficult to deliver high doses. So this was all about MDI. Thank you for watching.